Hello everyone, so I wanted to give you an update. We are starting the next week, and when I last left you guys, we had just started doing the flooring in this bedroom that I'm standing in right now. So now we have finished completing this room, and I'll give you a quick view of that. And then I went to the last bedroom and I laid all the tile in the very last bedroom. We are kind of running out of planks, but it's okay because the last little area that we have to do is the closet, so we can use a lot of the scraps for that. So I will give you a quick view of what we've completed, the last bedroom that we still need to complete, and then I also actually went to the store and purchased trim. So for each window and door, I purchased this like trim that we're gonna put around each door casing and window seal. This is what it looks like. And I purchased these from HG Supply. But I still have to go and get the baseboards because those are 16 feet long and I can't fit those in my SUV, so I have to get a truck to get those. But the week is looking pretty productive. I think we will have the majority of the work done and the house will be pretty much completed. I think this week we're gonna finish doing all the floors. We're gonna do all the baseboards, the window casings, the wood, the trim on the windows. And then on this weekend, I'm gonna try and do the rehab to the French doors to get those all finished. And then next week should just be all the finishing touches. So I think we should be done with all of the renovations in the next week or two. Praying that we are, but yeah, so I'll give you a quick view of everything, but keep on watching. So this is the bedroom that we finished. Last time I showed you, it's just laid all the planks and Art has finished installing them. And then this is the other room. So he's already started installing the planks. But this is the last room and the flooring will be done. And then I'll go ahead and I'll rehab these French doors. Hi everyone, so I wanted to do an update for you guys. This is the end of the week for us, so I wanted to show you how much we were able to get done. Art was able to paint all of the baseboards and the door casings and the wall mounts, so that is all painted, and he has begun to install all of the door casings, so those are all done. So I will give you a quick view of that, so if you can kind of see that. All the doors are done. We are going to start doing baseboards today and see how much we can get done, and then we also have to do the window casings. So that is gonna be the plan for today and maybe tomorrow, and then next week we will try and finish all of that up. But after we complete the baseboards and the window casings, we're gonna put the doors back on. I purchased some black or bronze type of, these are like new hinges. So I'm gonna put these on all the doors. And then today I'm also going to start rehabbing the French doors in one of the bedrooms. So I'll walk back here. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna sand down these French doors to basically like as much as I can really. So I'm gonna use an 80 grade sandpaper, and then I'm gonna go to 150, and then I'm gonna go to 225 to try and get it as smooth as possible and get as much as I can off of this paint off. And then after I sand everything, I'm gonna go ahead and prime it, and then I'm gonna paint it with exterior paint on the outside and then interior paint on the inside. And then I'll put new black knobs on the French doors as well. And then Art's gonna put a weather stripping at the bottom. That way, you know, the water doesn't get in. And then also we're gonna put new transition mounts as well. So that is the plan, and I will give you a quick update after we finish all that, so keep on watching. So I just finished priming the doors. I didn't think that it would take this long to do all of this work. So I still have to prime the outside of the door. And then once I finish doing that, then I am going to paint interior paint on the inside and then exterior paint on the outside. And I'm gonna use the same paint that I've been using for the house, which is the Sherwin-Williams Snowbound. But that is what it's looking like. I think it looks 100 times better now. A good fresh coat of paint always does a house good. So I'm going to let it dry overnight, and then I will do another coat of primer, and I'll prime the outside, and then I'll do paint.